beats.
كل شي عم يخلص الحب والأحلام، كل شي عم يخلص الضجر والأيام، طريق عم يصغر ونحنا عالطريق، رح تخلص المسافة والطريق.
It got a nigga shedding tears, reminiscing on my past fears. Cause shit was hectic on me last year. It appears that I've been marked for death. My heartless breath, the underline of my arrest. My life is stressed and no rest, forever weary. My eyes stay teary for all the brothers that I buried in the cemetery. Shit is scary, I black on black crime legendary, but at times unnecessary. I'm getting worried, teardrops and closed caskets. The 3 strikes law is drastic and certain death for us ghetto bastards. What can we do when we're arrested but open fire? Life in the pen ain't for me, cause I'd rather die. But don't cry through your despair. I wonder if the Lord still cares for us niggas on welfare. And who cares if we survive? The only time he notice a nigga is when he's clutching on the 4-5. My neighborhood ain't the same, cause all the little babies going crazy or they suffering in the game. And I swear it's like a trap, but I ain't giving up on the hood. It's all good when I go back. Oh, show me love, niggas give me props. Forever hot, cause it don't stop. On my block, on my block, my block.
كل شي عم يخلص الحب والأحلام، كل شي عم يخلص الضجر والأيام، طريق عم يصغر ونحنا عالطريق، رح تخلص المسافة والطريق.
And I can't help but wonder why so many young kids had to die. Caught strays from AKs in the drive-by. Swollen pride and homicide don't coincide. Brothers cry for broken lives, mama come inside. Cause our block is filled with danger. Used to be a close-knit community, but now we're all cold strangers. Time changes us to stone them crack pipes. All up and down the block exterminating black life. But I can't blame the dealers. My mama's welfare check has brought the next man chrome wheels. Shit's real, I know you feel my tragedy. A single mother with a problem child, daddy free. Hanging out, picking up games, sipping cheap liquor. Gaming the hoochies open, I can get to sleep with her. It's a man's world, staying strapped. Fantasies of a nigga living fat, but held back. Pipe dreams can make the night seem hopeless. Wide-eyed and losing focus on my block. That's how we do that shit. On my block.